posisyon nila.
Yes.
Okay yan, maganda posisyon. Depende sa kumabasa ko rin. My day mo pagkain. Galing naman sa yan. Wala kang tako dyan. Saan sa tayo talaga ni Dad. Tapos nung nakasama natin sa restaurant, nag-bounce pa rin pumayong tayo. Hindi lang siya nabibigyan ng ano. Nakasama ko sa Just Ticket pa yun. Ticket, Just Ticket. Ay! Naging setter namin yan. Kaya lang hindi siya makakontento kasi yung ticket niya is mixed na noise lang at saka ano eh. Kumbaga hindi naman satisfy sa laro. Alam mo yun. Dalawa silang setters. Si setter. Go, Nelay! Pasok mo yan! Si Melay, ano yung napapasad din. Setter kasi din eh. Napapasad din siya. Oo. Minsan di mo din maalis sa ano eh, no? Sa sistema.
Makaya ko talaga kukuhanin yan eh.
Na-reset. Oo. Tay. May pasok. Wala ka sa po. Saan? Ay. Awa. Ay, shit.
Ako na lang mag-alod.
Sino ba talaga setter sa kanila? Wala na ko.
Kaya lang yung masyado hindi siya nakabon na bola.
Picture, nurse, Naxo nurse. Okay, sali na tayo.
Ay, shit. Ay, shit. Nice one. Nice shot. Ito okay naman na rin to. Kasi parang ano lang, fun game lang. Match lang actually, no?
Pasok mo ha.
Pag-uulit dalawa lang ako. Nice service! Bukuyin mo, parang di galing bakasyon.
Maganda pala bakasyon mo, fans. Dapat laro yan. Oy, grabe naman.
Nakita ko yan. Yung naano ng kuko mo.
Yung mga tira-tira niya.
Oo, sabi, saan yung kuko to? Sabi ni Abby.
Habang naglalaro, nag-iisip siya. Paano ilalagay niya sa R5 niya. Kaya ako doon. Kasi yung masakit. Di ba? Pag sagad ka rin ba? Ako lang. Sagad rin. Kasi sanay ng sagad kaya masakit sa akin. Tagal ng laro. Ay, kapag naglalaro, pag-sit mo nakaganon ako. Para ko may mannerism. Kasi ko naging hobby ko talaga masulat siya. Kahit pag piyat ako habang nakapagkataas ng bigay na tapos.
Ay!
Hindi mga tao. Ako message na message.
Set, strong. Moving the effort 22. Number 12 gets the ball, sets it to the back again, to the other side. Setter gets it to the open, drops it over.
Si Kai. Nasa si Kai. Ayun. Kanina yung si Sinab. Dubai Police. Ay! Nice one!
Gets it back. Number 22 receives the ball,
kasi
drops the ball to the other
effort
side.
yan,
Open, drops the ball, no goal.
May stick neck daw siya. Si Ate Doris.
Nung isang araw pa yan. Ano, wala pa yun na Thursday.
Ay, di ko alam.
Friday na tayo. Naglalang tayo.
Number 18 on the service line. Number 18 with a sharp serve to the zone 1. Setter sets it to the middle. Looking for an opportunity, spikes it. Number 2 gets it from the bottom, no goal.
Kayanin natin yan.
Ano?
Kasi sa KP, ikaw na lang bibidyo. Ano daw ninyo? Hihira ni ano, pinalikay, pinalo.
Service from Pirates received by number 29. Number 22 sets the ball at 19. A miscommunication.
Hindi nag-usap.
Pirates again on the service
Kahiyan.
line. Serve.
Kasi mabilis ang mata kung dyan.
Score recap, we have 9-36 with a 3-point lead from the Dubai Mixers with a strong serve from number 12. And then ace at that.
Nanakit! Nananakit naman! Bawal mo mag-inom.
Number 12 again serving for Dubai Mixers. With a strong serve to the open side. Open gets it back to the corner. Corner gets it. Sets it to the middle. Drops the ball to zone 1. Setter gets the ball. Gets it back to. Good attempt. Scores for Pirates. Score recap is now 8-10. In favor of Dubai Mixers, we're leading probably by 2 points. Number 29 gets the ball. 22 sets the ball to her. Drops the ball to number 10. Number 10 drops the ball again to the left side. Score is now 19 serving 10, 9 serving 10 rather. 22 sets the ball to number 29. Number 29 with a strong spike. Number 18 gets the ball and a miscommunication at that. Score is now 11-9 service from Dubai Mixers. Number 29. Number 29 with a serve. Score goes to Pirates. Score recap is 11-10 with in favor of Dubai Mixers. Pirates on the service line. A good service from Pirates. 29 receives it, sends it to number 6. Number 6 strikes the ball. Setter gives it to the right side. Right side gives an open shot. No goal. Once again, we would like to thank Dubai Police and Positive Spirit Council for such a fun event we're having. Make sure to post your pictures, photos, videos on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok with the official hashtag #albarsha_community
Kalma Stella.
forum. Dubai Mixers again on the service. Number 17 with a strong serve received by number 8. Received and gets it back by number 14. Number 29 gets the ball. 22 sets it to the open. Open looks for an opportunity. Opportunity was there. And that was a good spike from Pirates. What a drop ball from number 6. Number 8 gets the ball. 12 gets the ball with a free ball right there. What a fight, what a good rally we're having tonight. Number 29 gets the ball, sets it to number 2 open, and that is a good kill.
School service.
Kalma lang.
Score is now 14-10 in favor of Dubai Mixers with number 17 again with a strong service. However, it was too strong.
Bawal malapit na tayo mag-start.
Kuya Paul, kamusta na dyan?
Between Romeo and Bronze versus
Pirates again on the service. With a strong serve received by number 29, number 6 gets the ball to number 13. Number 13 gets back the ball to the server. Number 10 gets the ball to the right side striker. Received by number 29. Number 6 gets the ball to number 18. 18 spikes the ball with number 7 right over there. That was a good attempt on number 8.
Sabi,
we would like to thank the Libraries and Positive Spirit Council for
Number 22 on the service line, received by number 25. A point for Dubai Mexpers. Score recap is 16-11 with a 5-point lead from Dubai Mexpers.
ayaw ni Kuya. Bola, ayaw ni Kuya.
Number 22 again on the service line. Number 22 sets the ball to number 23. What a good down the line ball. Careful right there. Umikot daw si ate ng 180. 360 yun. Let's go ate, go. Go ate, push mo.
Magkakuli mo kayo? Hindi.
What a good service from ate servers. Neke ate sa middle, checks the chats. With a corner spike, setter gets it to the middle. Too close to the net. Hello po sa mama ni ate. Sa boss din po ni ate Chris.
Nice service.
And an ace service from number 6.
Go, Pam.
Score is now 18-12 with a 6-point lead from Dubai Mixers.